Namaste everyone, welcome to Sudeha Yoga. Let me tell you that today's video is specially designed for our wonderful seniors. We are very excited to guide you through a simple series of yoga exercises that you can practice with ease from the comfort of your chair. Doing them regularly can improve circulation and give you a moment of relaxation. I can understand that practicing some asanas and stretching your body can be a big concern at this age. But remember, age is just a number, and that's why this is a perfect video for you. So why late? Let's get started. First, sit in your comfortable posture on your chair. Keep your hands on the thighs. Then slowly take a deep breath in. Inhale, raise your neck up. Exhale, center. Spine should be straight. Inhale up. Exhale, center. Inhale up. Exhale, center. Inhale up, exhale center. Inhale up, hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly neck center. Second variation, slowly turn your neck to the right. Breathe out like this. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Breathe out, turn completely to the right. Hold here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feel the stretching in your neck muscles. Breathe in, breathe out to the left. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly breathe in center. Third variation for our neck, slowly. Here to the shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, only semi-rotation, right to left, left to right, right to left, left to right. Completely focus on your neck muscles and feel the stretching. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Then slowly, neck center. Till now we are done with 3 movements. Now slowly, take your hands forward. Inhale. Breathe in, stretch your right hand up, back of your ear like this. Breathe out, center. Breathe in up, 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 try to take your hand completely back. Hold here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out, center. Now left hand, inhale up, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly exhale, center. Now you can join your thumb fingers. Inhale, stretch your hand up. Stretch your spine towards your upward. Exhale, center. Inhale up. Exhale, center. Inhale up. Exhale, center. Inhale up. Now hold there. Stretch your spine towards your upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly center. Now join your elbows together. Inhale, stretch more your elbows completely back. Broad chest and shoulder. Breathe out forward. Breathe in back. Breathe out forward. Breathe in back. Breathe out forward. Breathe in back. Breathe out forward. Breathe in, stretch your shoulders and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly keep your fingers on your shoulder. Go for only reverse direction. Join your elbows together. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So till now we are done with head, hands, shoulders. Now go for side bending. Now hands to the side, slowly. Bend towards your right side, little bit only. Inhale, center. To the left, exhale. Inhale, center. Right, breathe out. Inhale, center. Left, breathe out. Inhale, center. Now bend to the right and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. To the left, breathe out. Make it breathe normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now side stretching, second variation. Interlock your fingers. Try to stretch out completely, hands up, stretch your spine, then slowly Bend towards your right. Inhale, center. Bend towards your left. Inhale, center. Right, breathe out. Inhale, center. Left, breathe out. Inhale, center. Now, bend to the right and hold here 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center, breathe in. To the left. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly center. Now, hands down. Now, try to twist your upper body like this completely. Look at your right side. Breathe out. Breathe in, center. Breathe out towards your left. Breathe in, center. Right. Breathe out. Breathe in, center. Left. Breathe out. Breathe in, center. Right. Breathe out. Completely twist as much as possible. Straight your spine. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. Breathe in. Breathe out to the left. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. So head to toe. Completely we are done with head to our waist region. Now go for our legs. Now slowly you can raise your right leg up. Now toes completely pointed out. Stretch your leg, your toes to your hip joint. Inhale. Exhale, toes pointed out. Inhale. Exhale, toes pointed out. Inhale completely toe. Keep your toes completely pointed inside. Tight your leg. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now toes completely pointed out. Tight your leg. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now go for foot rotation clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now reverse direction same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, tighten your toe completely loose. Tight, loose. Tight, loose. Tight, loose. Now, make it tight, more tight and hold. Keep your entire energy on your toes only. Complete your toe. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly relax. Now, slowly leg down. Now, change your leg. Slowly raise your left leg up. Toes completely pointed out. Stretch your toes out. Inhale, toes pointed in. Exhale, toes pointed out. Inhale, toes pointed in. Feel the stretch in your calf muscle. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, toes completely pointed out. Feel the stretching your hip joint to your tip of your toe. Completely out. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now toes pointed in. Make it tight. Tight your calf muscle and complete your toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly go for foot rotation clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now tighten your toe. Loose. Tight. Loose. Tight. Loose. Tight, loose. Tight, make it tight. Keep your entire energy on your toes only. Make it tight, more tight and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly loose. Down your leg and feel the stretching. Complete your head to toe. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out.
And that's all for today. Take a moment in thanking yourself on dedicating your time on health and wellness. Thanks for joining us and don't forget to hit the like button, share this with your loved ones and subscribe for more.